The dollar versus Canada is moving to the downside, continuing the trend that we saw on Friday after the stronger than expected employment data. We're also seeing risk on sentiment as a result of higher stock prices in the U.S. today, which is also helping that currency and weakening the dollar versus Canada. I'll go through the technicals that are driving this pair in this video, so let's get started. Reviewing last week, we had a high price on Wednesday right here, and then on Thursday we came right up to the same level, found willing sellers against that level. What we saw on Friday was the break below the previous high right here, and also break below these swing levels right through here, which form this ceiling here, breaking below that level. More importantly, probably staying below that level on this higher level on the correction move led to the move to the downside into the close. And we moved down to the 200-hour moving average with the price traded above and below it into the close from Friday's trade and trade here today. In the Asian session, we initially traded above that 200-hour moving average, also above the 38.2% retracement at times of this move to the upside. But then momentum started to push below that moving average, and we saw increased selling. That took the price below the 50% retracement down to this swing area down through here, where we had these swing lows and swing highs forming this area right through here, where the market was consolidating up, down, up, down, up, down through this level before basing here and pushing to the upside. So this area here between 140, 1.4000, nice round number as well, and 1.4007 was tested not once but twice. And so far, we've been able to hold that level. So there's a battle going on above and below the 50% and also around this lower swing area right through here and the 140 level. Ultimately, if we're going to go lower, we need to get below the 140 level and start to work toward the 61.8% retracement and work toward this swing area here. I'm going to put a red box around this area right through here, which, well, actually, that's not a red box. So let's get the red box. Put a red box around this area right through here where the market traded higher and lower and with a more negative bias here before breaking to the downside right through here. So that is where we stand. We stand back into that red box, and we'll see if we can extend down to the downside here. But we're going to need to get below, stay below 50% retracement, and get below the swing area right through here to push down toward that level. So that's my technical look at the dollar versus Canada. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye bye now.